Most people donate their blood to the hospital and other donation programs to extend their help to others who specially needs blood, so that their life will be extended. But this one is different, because one of a dog tries to donate its blood to help other dogs also who really needs blood. Most animals needs blood because of the accidents they've been through. This dog is so brave donating his blood, and it even didn't react when the girl inject him, and the blood starting to run out from him.